You want to make this? Or this? You can do it all at the end of this video. First, what is the blend tool? Essentially, it can morph or connect two shapes. As you can see in the icon of the tool, you can interpolate between two shapes. The tool works with two or more shapes, so you click the first shape, then the next one, and next. Simple. Another way to use it is with the Blend tool section in the Object menu. Select the shapes, then click on Make in the menu. If you want more steps in between or generating shapes at specific distances, double-click on the icon in the toolbar or select Blend options in the Objects menu while the blended shape is selected. There are two options and one additional option. First, there's the spacing. In here you can select between three options with different results, and for specified steps or distance there's one more option you can change. For specified steps there is the number of steps you want. And for specified distance there is the distance between two shapes that are created. And the other option comes in handy after I explain the spine. Now we can change the path that the interpolated shapes go on. Just make a new path, then select all of them and go to the Blend tool section in the Object menu, then click on Replace Spine. Just like that, we can make it go on any path. Another way you can do this is by making the path beforehand, and when you want to make the blended shape, select all of them, then select Make in the Object menu under Blend. If you want to change any shape or the spine after you made the blended shape, just double-click on the shape. Now you can select them individually and change them. And by double-clicking away you can exit this focused view. The Blend tool also interpolates the color, opacity, and nearly all of the effects on the shapes. So you can play with different effects and generate something unique. If you like this video so far, hit the like button so the video gets to more people. Let's make some interesting shapes. The first one is this. For this one I make oval shape with a thick border, then make a copy with transforming its scale. Now, I make the blended shape and change the number of steps in between. After that I apply the transform effect on the smaller one and change its rotation. Then I change the opacity of the small one to 0. As you can see, the order of the shapes are wrong. So I reverse them by clicking on the Reverse Front to Back in Blend section of the Object menu. And another cool one you can use. For this one I make 4 circles with different colors, and with the Blend tool I select them in the order I want them to be. Now I change the path that the Blend tool created and increase the radius of those two corners. If you want more examples on how to do these things, check out my channel, and more is coming. Thank you for watching to the end.